Normally when you get a BC roaster from us, one of the 22 or newer, you're going to get it with a gas gauge, this 5 kPa. Some people, if they're converting it to natural gas, and natural gas usually only goes from 1 to 2 kPa instead of from all the way up to 3 or 4 on propane, want to replace it with a 2 kPa gauge so they can monitor, you know, that they have that much more space to monitor and micro adjust the gas versus just that space on it. Generally, we recommend, if you can, just to keep the one that came with it. But if you want to change it, you can purchase these separately from the kit, and we'll show you how to replace those. It's going to be a little harder for us to get up in there with the camera to show you, but we would suggest that you first loosen this gas line, and then you can use the adjustments that come with the new gauge to loosen these, or you can use the existing ones if you want. Loosen these and then slide the old one out and then put the new one in and then tighten it back up. See if I can get up in here without getting in the way of the camera. This particular BC8 uses a, which probably they all do, a 14 millimeter. So you just basically loosen this and carefully pull the gas line away from that. Or you can just wait on that once you've loosened it, and then loosen these brackets holding the gauge in using a screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, or perhaps even a flathead, and then you should be able to remove these brackets and slide this entire gauge out.